Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your language on TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section found at the lower right corner. Then next you're going to click on settings found at the top right corner. Then there's the language option, you're going to click on it. So it's going to take you to the system settings. Then click on language. So as you can see, these are the languages that are supported by the TradingView app. So you guys can change it by clicking on the language you want. Then once you're done, you're going to go to your TradingView app. Then it's going to change the language for you. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.